Fucking piss. Bum. Dum. Check. Cool. Should be fine. What's going on? I have to pee real quick, guys. I started a little late. My house is a mess. Give me a sec. I have to piss. To sign on.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go pop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. Woke up dreaming other commas, and I got $100 in my wallet. I've been trying to make it, do it for my mama. I ain't with the faking, never with the drama. She said that I make it, now I gotta honor that. Replace a Honda with the fucking Model X. Replace my exes with a couple models. She act out of pocket, now it's just a problem. I got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury. Shooting like I'm Booker, but nobody ever heard of me.
We're back. Coffee's making. Sorry, I was late to wake up this morning. I woke up so late. I went to bed last night pretty late. Sorry, but we're back. Hope everyone's doing well. We'll get started. Yeah, so this is kind of the concern with yesterday. Also, too, everyone's like, futures rolled over. How do I get levels back to the same point? You don't. It's the same thing every single futures rollover. You gotta just adjust your levels to the chart. Or you can go to just a non-adjusted chart and do that, but things get a little skewed there, so I use adjusted. So do what you gotta do. So yeah, going into like the 90 MA, VWAP, get rid of those. Actually, I'll keep VWAP open. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm probably looking for it to come back down to like 1977 here. That'd be my level that I'd be looking at. You also have this little level here that you want to see us hold below, which is last Friday's, last Friday's level there. But again, kind of what I'm looking at, what I'm watching for right now. So let's go to the 4-hour one day. Make sure I have these levels correct, Amundo. I think I do. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Tesla getting hammered. Tell me something I don't know. Tell me something I don't know. tell me something Tyler doesn't know. But yeah, I mean, there was no reason to, like, there was no reason to think Tesla was bullish yet. You know what I mean? Like, you're still like, again, people that are like, I mean, I mentioned in yesterday's video, like, I mentioned over the weekend too on Twitter. So if you watch, pay attention there too. I mean, yeah, you were bouncing up, but the second you broke the higher lows you're making, you just started dropping back down. So again, I mean, it's a lot of the same stuff we talk about here. Like, once like trend flips, once you start seeing lower highs being made, and then you flip that trend there, like, things get easier and easier to trade. So, you know, something that, you know, I don't want to call names out, but someone in Discord was like, basically, like, the past few days, like, they just want to keep trading stuff. They just want to nonstop. I want to trade this. I want to trade that. It's just like nonstop wanting to find a trade. And like, I get it in theory, but like, instead of just nonstop trying to finding a trade, like, why not nonstop look for great setups? So then you don't lose a significant amount of money, or you put yourself in a position to lose no money to make more money, right? You know what I mean? So that would be the in my opinion, that's like the viewpoint that you should have. And so, like, I think Tesla's a great example here, right? Like, that's what I would have been looking for. So instead of like yesterday, like, there really was no like shorting opportunities besides early in the morning with Nvidia, which, you know, we traded that downside, like, just lower highs being made there. But like, you know what I mean? Like, there's no reason to start forcing these trades. And like, you know, if you're in Discord, it's not going to make me be nice to you. I'm just going to tell you right now. Like, in theory, if you're in Discord, I kind of want to be a little bit more mean to you. So hopefully it gets through your thick skull, like, that you're trading like an idiot. Because at the end of the day, like, I don't want someone to leave me a bad review. And like, yeah, I got a reputation to maintain. Can you post a screenshot of the new futures level in Discord? Oh, I'll do it, Adam. I do it every day. Who would have thought? Adam, hey, Adam. I'm gonna change your life right now, but let me tell you something. Let me tell you something very special here. Believe it or not, Adam, if you go to Tyler Zone, you can go check basically every weekday for the past, I don't know how many months, it's been in there. Not looking to change it up today, Adam. You're welcome. But I will post it, as always. I'm trying to see if there's any questions I missed before I hopped in here. Spice, Shamil. Dude, my nose. My allergies are so bad right now. Like, man, I usually don't have. I mean, as I've gotten older, my allergies have gotten worse and worse. I got you. I'll do them real quick. See, look, Alex, you know, Adam says, you know what? I know. I was just being a little greedy. I just wanted them right now. I said, Adam, you know what? Special Discord members, special requests, special answers. What can I say? I do need to go more in detail with these to make sure, but like, this is overall what I'm looking at right now. Let's actually go to, I want to make sure to load back here too. I thought I had a level like right here. I mean, either way, you got to target this no matter what. So, question now too is, you make a higher low there. Stay on the 1 hour. I doubt you get a lot of movement though today. Like, I mean, I could be wrong. Who knows? Tyler could totally be. I've been wrong quite a bit here. So, but you can see yesterday too. You see how you were doing this yesterday? I'm not gonna put this in the thing, but this is yesterday. Yesterday, you basically just made higher lows all day long. See what I mean? All day long. Like, can't make it up. This is since Thursday last week. So, yesterday you just bounced. You dipped to the trend, bounced up, and that was it. But, anyways. Let me make it a little bit Jay says I make it too wide. It's hard for you guys to see. We'll go into stocks here in a second. Let me just post this stuff for Discord. I really don't want to chart ES, like, because ES has just been so like annoying to watch. I mean, granted, like, better you guys can see, like, granted on ES, like, you see your break-in structure, like, you're clearly lower lows and lower highs, right? I might need to refine those levels too on NQ. I just haven't done it yet. Go change them later if I need to, but yeah. See the SR flip here. Yeah, not as clean at all. For sure, not as clean. 100%. Dear God. You can see all the SRs up here that are just super clean, but down here, I don't like them at all. Not a fan. You don't have a lot here, though. Yeah, right there. True Friday level. Similar chart as what's it called? Very similar. Was Dow. Honestly, Dow was the biggest really good day yesterday. That had no downside, so I don't feel like going into Dow. God damn it. I think I already adjusted all these actually. I did. Must have done this last night. I don't even remember doing this. Yeah. I had to adjust this. I don't even remember doing this. No idea. It's a zone there. Sorry, guys. Hey, blame Adam. Don't blame me. Blame Adam. Although this means I get to stay locked in a little bit longer. So, can also thank Adam for that. Really, if you get over 42.3, you look good towards the 200 SMA. Yeah, Dow's, if I'm bullish, Dow's the most interesting here. Okay, we're done. Sorry, the rundown was pretty, not a lot, not very descriptive except for NQ, but there's no reason to be today. Also worth mentioning as well that, tomorrow you have FOMC. So I wouldn't be, again, expectations today, let's keep them controlled, right? Let's not go crazy. Let's not lose our minds. Let's stay normal. Let's understand where we're at. Because again, I know today I'm going to have a million people. Hey, Tyler, man. Hey, Tyler, I'm looking to go crazy. I'm looking to buy a bunch of stuff today. I'm like, okay, buddy, do what you got to do. Let me know how it goes. But yeah, NASDAQ, I'm really trying to pull back though here. Near open too, you can see. I've been watching this kind of throughout the night as well. You can see basically been finding support here. Break this, probably coming down towards, I think you want to come down towards 19.7, give or take, but we'll see. All right, let's see any questions if we have any. Invest in no strips. Let's chase the, sure, Tyler. Good morning, good morning. Go get your coffee. I need to get my coffee in a sec. But yeah, this is going to be a big point. If you get underneath, if you start breaking below this, I think you come down pretty quick. You had a really nice VWAP projection too, like right before I got on live. Right before I was watching it. That happened. But like as you can see here too, Dow Dow, you're under VWAP, don't get me wrong, but it still looks really solid. You're seeing names like Nvidia, the names that were carrying you to the upside are now losing steam. That's the other big part of this. Another thing too is that you're not seeing any bounce on Apple. And this is the most interesting part because I do think Apple wants to come down towards 200. I think it's very likely. But yeah, Apple's not getting enough bounce. It did not get enough love. Like yesterday was decent, don't get me wrong, like $4 bounce from lows, but like it's not enough. This is gonna kill you. If NASDAQ dips and if you continue to the downside, dude, Apple's coming down to 200. You know what I mean? HIMS, I went over it in yesterday's video. I'm not gonna go over mid caps right now. Best of luck. I'm gonna grab my coffee real quick. Also, some exciting news. You want to hear some exciting news too? Big news here on the channel. Tyler is officially after. There it goes. It's not clearing up. Tyler's officially after I don't know how many years it's been. We are going to get the cough checked out by the doctor. It's been that long. We're doing it. I don't know why, but today or 2 days ago, I woke up. Yeah. It says time to change some things, boys. Intel to tank. But Intel's trash. I don't even know why you go. Intel's so trash, I don't even know why you short it, to be honest. Yeah, there you go. Here we go. Thank you. Here we go. That's what you're looking for there. Good volume to the downside, too. 4-year professional cough. I'm pretty sure though it's from acid reflux. I'm like almost positive because it's primarily in the mornings or at night. I'm assuming, but we'll see. Who knows? I'm not a doctor. Not a doctor. Not a doctor. Until, man, I'm coming back to. What is Intel's INTC? Spelled it out. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, I don't know why we're looking at this. What are we doing? Yeah, 19.9 coming in here on NQ. That's what you want to see. You guys got me looking at fucking Intel this morning. I got Nasdaq breaking down. Like, you want to look at Intel? I'm like, the fuck is wrong with you? You guys need to focus on like winning stuff, like for real. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. I love you guys, but dude, focus on winning ideas, winning mentality. Like, you think about how to consistently win, right? You need to really, 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 really think about that. Okay, I'm telling you right now. It was gallstones, dude. Sounds terrible. Sounds awful. Hope it's not gallstones. But yeah, like, I'm telling you, a lot of you guys focus on just trading trash names. Like, and it's not me trolling or being mean. This is like just the truth of the matter, okay? You're trading bad names. Like, I don't know. I genuinely don't know why you would trade Intel. I really have no idea why you would trade this. Maybe as a swing trade, this is one of the worst looking charts ever. Like, this is so, and like, what are you, like, honest to God? Like, I'm not joking. I'm not being sarcastic. I'm being dead serious. Why would you trade this? This has been here since July 2024 in a like $4 range, and you're congratulations, you got above 2022 lows. Like, I don't know why you would trade this. It's just long term. As long term, I don't know what you're doing. I have no idea what you're doing. I have zero clue. I mean, best of luck. Do what you want to do. Like, go off, right? But yeah, you couldn't convince me of the financials. And again, like, do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do. But I'm just trying to help you guys out. You guys want to do that? You be my guest. Just don't mention it here. I don't want to talk about it. Don't mention it on my channel. I don't want to. No. If you're into dudes, like, that's cool. Like, I'm glad to have you part of the community, but I don't want to talk about it. You know what I mean? It's not my thing, right? Right? Ali has some gay friends. We're cool. We're cool. But I don't want to talk about it. It's not relatable to me, right? You know what I mean? So, if you like that, if that's what you like, then you go do you, right? I support you, but I don't support talking about it with you, right? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, you need some mental help with it. Like, hey, Tyler, what do you think? Like, do you think they're that into me? I'm like, maybe. I don't have any experience. Maybe, but what's the weather like today? You know what I mean? So if that's what you're into, that's what you're into, you know? But not Tyler. Tyler's not into that. No. Okay, so go do you, boo-boo. But don't bring that in here. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the guy, he goes, I'm not into that is funny. This is not a stock channel. This is a Tyler channel. Tyler gets on the channel, he talks about what he likes, people say, oh, that's interesting, that's nice, and then they base their opinions off that. It's a Tyler channel, understand that. Please stop. Get some help. Stop. But yeah, break it, dude. Woo! Hey, who'd have thought? We just talked about it. We say, hey, Nasdaq breaky here. You're coming straight down. What do we say here, boys? Hey, special plays, special trades, special traders, special channels, right? That's what I'm talking about here. He said it's not a stock channel. You're right. Yeah. What is Super Hotfire said? He said, I'm not even a rapper. I'm not even a trader. What can I say? Jordan, I don't know what that means. What about me? I don't know what you're like. I don't know if anyone's in. I don't know what that means. Are you talking about, like, is it all about? I don't know. Jordan, bad timing with that comment. But yeah, good breakdown here. Next level's down here, 19,866. We'll see if you hold below. Semis are gonna hurt you today. Semis are gonna hurt you. It was really interesting because yesterday, like, dude, we got them moving on Nvidia. But, like, dude, this was a grind to the downside. It took us a long time. That was a sweater is what we called it. But yeah, I'm still looking for downside here on Nvidia today. You got the gap fill down here like to 116, so could happen. I'd be looking for that as well. AVGO getting below 190. AVGO has been interesting though, but this is what I've been saying about going short on AVGO here. It's just too hard. No diddy. You're getting below like 196 and rejecting like over and over. But like you get below 193, you push down, you wick back up. It's just gross. Like below 185, the short to 181 is there. Like it's been there every single time. But really below the 200 estimate. And dude, I'm telling you right now, like if the Fed meeting goes bad, it's all just setting up right now. Got to understand that too. Like you're just like setting up across the board. Like, so, hey, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? I hate Trade-Evade. I literally, after using like Top Step and using what are the contracts this month? What are they? What's the symbol M or what? What is it? NQ H? Is it H? Dude, I hate Trade-Evade. I literally cannot stand it. Project X is just such a cleaner platform. Are we at M5 or M6? M5, right? I think. NQ M5. Yeah. No. No, it's not. It's not it. Maybe they just haven't rolled over on Trade-Evade. Awesome. Super. Whatever. I use Top Step X. So where Top Step is kind of pissing me off. There's a few things about it. I like Top Step a lot. I do like Top Step. I think like barrier to entry, I think Top Step is expensive. It is like it's one of the most expensive platforms you could use. So I mean, if you're okay with that, then whatever. But like I'm okay with that. Like they pay out quick, so I'm fine with it. Like it's a tax write-off at the end of the day, so whatever. But I think my fund and futures for like getting right into it first, one to use. That's who I would use. The only downside is this. I like using Project X is so clean, right? Also, too, Top Step, like, I mean, dude, I get to the point where I'm about to go live, and then I just kind of like YOLO it, and then to get my last payout, and then I just reset. And so far, they haven't like flagged me. I haven't gotten an issue. Now, granted, I don't buy like 100 different combines, so I haven't broken any of those rules. But yeah, so that's the only crappy part because I don't like. It used to be really cool. You used to be able to go live and then buy more XFAs, and like that was crazy. Like that was pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, but we're not there anymore. Matthias, buddy, I just told you what it is. He said, I guess I'll never bring up Intel. I didn't mean to trigger. I just told you, like, it isn't like talking about you know, different types of people doesn't like trigger me. It's not relatable to me. I just don't care. You know what I mean? If that's what you're into, that's what you're into. You know? That's all I'm saying. You don't gotta get mad about it. Like, accept who you are. But that's what my mom always says. You just gotta accept who you are. God made you beautiful. So you got this, dude. You're a queen. Okay, let's go. How's Amazon looking? Amazon's below 200 SMA, so it's not looking good. I'll tell you that. Oh, dude, my neck. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah, I mean, where you at? It opened to 193. Yeah, below 194 below 195.4. I'm pretty damn bearish, to be totally honest. But yeah, you're below that. You look terrible. Does not look good. I'm really more interested in NQ here. Like I'm telling you, you guys need to focus on futures. I'm telling you, like NQ just has so much downside. Realistically, you have quite a bit. That's what you'd like to see here. Is there prop firms for options? No. Probably never will be. It'd be very difficult for them to like gather that data. It'd be very expensive. My put's gonna print. I love your levels. Hey, love you too, Edward. Yeah, but Amazon. I mean, Amazon's opening up basically at support. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this has been where you kind of been bouncing this little zone down here. So yeah, you get below this, so you have a gap fill down here like a 187. So I'd be watching. I mean, it's definitely interesting, like for sure. Tesla's asked to $5. We go. Nice. Yeah, Tesla. I mean, I don't really know my next target. I mean, back down to 219, 218 probably, but beyond that, I don't really know what my levels are here. Jay has all the levels on Tesla, to be honest. Maybe down like 200. It's crazy. 205. Yeah, pretty nuts. Pretty bad looking chart. Pretty bad. Meta. I think Meta's interesting too. Meta's kind of been consolidating here. I think if Meta gets below like 602, you have room down to 586 to 200 SMA. This has just been the story on the day, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. This has been the story on some of these equities. Just not a lot of strength. And like you're getting a bounce. I'm telling you, it's the craziest part. You're getting a bounce on NASDAQ over the past day, and equities are doing nothing. Like that's, to me, that's the kicker. That's the crazy part, right? To me, as I look at it, I'm like, dude, what? Like, what is going on? So, whatever. That's how I look at it. Yeah, I'd be looking for NASDAQ to get a retest off of this too. To market open, that'd be so clutch. Right, break, retest, continuation down. Dude, look at my chops. Tyler said Tesla levels haven't changed in 4 years. I just don't like having all the levels on my screen. Shit's ugly as fuck. Especially when like you go to the daily and it's like 40 levels on Tesla. Where's the bounce coming from? Where the bounce coming for SPY? I don't know what that means. Where the bounce coming? Retest on Qs. I don't know. I'm looking at NASDAQ. Hope it drops more so I can add more long term. I think Tesla's really interesting long term. I do think Tesla's extremely interesting long term. Like, yeah, when I look at Tesla long term, it's the upside's awesome, but like you're not there yet. Like you have a ways to go. So yeah, if you buy Tesla and you get upside, it's just like, just know that's not why you're long on Tesla. It's for the short term upside. So yeah, tough, but it is what it is. We'll see. Dow trying to bounce here. Today can be a call day. I'm not looking for upside, to be honest. We'll see. We'll see. If semis keep dipping, I think you're looking for more downside. You have 117, 118 coming up. Beyond that, down to 116, 115. We'll see. AVGO looks really bad, but AVGO did kind of look bad yesterday morning, and then you bounced. So it's like I don't want to jump the gun on AVGO. Like, so yeah. Trying to see if I missed anything. I don't think I did. But yeah, so kind of where we're at. What time is it? 8:10. If you guys have any last questions, make sure you ask over here. I'm still looking at Apple. I think Apple still looks pretty damn good for downside under 214. We'll see, though, how that holds up, if it can hold up anymore. AMD was probably your only bright. It's funny, when AMD is your most bullish semiconductor, usually not a good thing. Yeah, AMD probably has right back down to 101. Be looking for 101 coming in here. Bitcoin looks gross. Yeah, Bitcoin's been grinding below your 200 SMA. A lot of people are talking about, like, for instance, are mentioning, like, you know, micro strategy and shit like that. And I get it. Like, I get it. Don't get me wrong. But, like, really all you need to track for micro strategy and Coinbase is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's just sitting below your 200 SMA. It's nasty. This is a nasty looking chart. It's not a good one. So, yeah, I'd be eyeballing downside. I know they're doing another offering or some shit. But, yeah, below 281, the downside looks pretty nice for MicroStrategy. That's what I'd be looking at. So keep it pretty simple there. Netflix getting above 940, previous all-time high right there in December. 942. Above that, you look fine, back for upside potentially. Below that, I'd be looking 926. It's gonna be instantly. But you saw what happened last time you broke 942. You dropped it like a rock. So wouldn't be getting crazy there either. PLTR just sitting on support. How's Baba and the Chinese names looking? Are you up? Flat. They're flat basically. Tesla 227, 222 to go. Yeah, so that is where we're at. ES and Dow, in my opinion, again, were the bright spots of yesterday. They looked pretty decent. Dow looked really good, but again, you're still below that previous level you had there as well. Even in the pre-market here, Dow's not getting that much like sell side. So yeah, I'd be watching that as well. You need to get back into the 200. I mean, above 42.4, 42.3, room back to the 200 SMA. Baba Leaps. I've made videos about Baba here a lot, so I think it's an interesting name. Yeah. I just don't see Nvidia not getting weak here, man. Nvidia too. All I'd be watching that if we're at open. Be watching this. This is all I'd be watching right now. You want to see us break below yesterday lows. That's what you want to see. Below yesterday lows, you probably start filling that gap. Highly likely. Highly likely. But we'll see. Where's Q's at here? Q's came right into 485 yesterday. I didn't even notice that. It's funny as hell too. After 485, you have the 200 SMA and 492 SPY. Where'd you come into? You almost came into your 200 SMA yesterday. Pretty clutch there too. Yeah, pretty clutch. Not bad. Kind of just hitting a brick wall here on NQ. Trying to bounce up. You can't do it. You are trying. So, all right, guys, if you don't have any questions, I'm probably going to hop out of here. I appreciate everyone, but let's see if you have any last questions, please ask while we are here. If not, I'm hopping out. Vidang. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, you're just coming into resistance on SPY. Nothing really crazy happening here. No questions, nothing. All right, guys, I'm hopping out of here. I appreciate you guys. I'll be back live tomorrow. Video coming out later today.